Happiest of Thanksgivings to all my vegan and non-vegan family and friends out there. Today, I'm gonna show you a dish that you can bring to your Thanksgiving family gathering this year that is really going to impress. This is Italian sausage stuffing. I've brought this to my Thanksgiving gatherings for the past 4 to 5 years, and people go crazy over it. It's gone within like a half an hour. This isn't your boring, bland, stovetop, pre-prepared, whatever. This stuff is loaded with flavor. And now I'm gonna show you how to make it. You're gonna love it, your family's gonna love it, your dog's gonna love it when it drops on the ground, everybody's gonna go crazy over it, and you're gonna be a total winner, hero, icon, all-star, whatever. Let's do it.
Casually keep diving into concrete.
Let's get our ingredients prepped and ready. You're gonna need 1/2 loaf of ciabatta bread cut into large cubes, 1 yellow onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 3 stalks celery, 6 cloves garlic, and about 14 to 16 basil leaves. For the Italian sausage in this recipe, I'll be using 2 of Beyond Meat's hot Italian sausage links, and I'm gonna add some fennel seed and cracked red pepper to give it even more of an Italian sausage flavor. Additional ingredients include the juice of 1/2 lemon and the liquid from 1 15.5 ounce can of garbanzo beans. Heat a saute pan over medium-high heat on your stove. Add some oil to the pan. Once the pan and oil are hot, add in your Beyond Meat Italian sausage. Flatten out the Italian sausage across the pan to allow for an even sear. Sear the Italian sausage for about 3 to 4 minutes to allow it to brown on the bottom, then break up with a wooden spoon. Sear for about another 1 to 2 minutes, then take out of the pan and set aside. Now we'll add in all of the veggies, including the onion, celery, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper. Season with a little bit of salt and pepper and saute. Allow the vegetables to cook down for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add a little bit more oil, a little bit more salt and pepper, and then sear for about another 1 to 2 minutes. Take the veggies out of the pan and set aside in a separate bowl. And now we're ready to combine the ingredients for our stuffing. First add the bread cubes, then the Italian sausage, and then the veggies. Next we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 4 tablespoons melted vegan butter, the garbanzo bean juice, and the lemon juice. Now mix together with your hands. The last 2 ingredients we'll add are the minced garlic and the chopped basil. Now we'll take our mixture out of the bowl, place into a 9x9 baking dish, and flatten out with a spatula. Vegan Thanksgiving stuffing, right here. You saw it, you can make it. It's so simple. Look at how beautiful this stuffing turned out. Nice and golden, brown bits on the top, and so incredibly tasty. Let's serve this up. That stuffing is the bomb. .com, all day long. Something else that rhymes with that. That's a wrap for today's episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Thanksgiving to you and yours. Go make some of this stuffing. Wow your family. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.